Hello crafties, it's Sandra from Volifier.com and I create small batch graphics so you can keep your designs unique. And this is my vlog about being an illustrator, working from home, and I share my tips and tricks of selling digital illustrations online and creating a creative career on the internet. So if you want to learn more or if you want to become an illustrator yourself, this is the place for you. And if you like this channel and find it helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. And I also have a newsletter that you can sign up for and get a 20% coupon code for my shop with this. Woohoo! And I also have a super cozy Facebook group for creatives like you and I that want to sell art online and support each other. So you're welcome to join there too. You find all the links below in the description. Well, for this topic for today, it's a quite sad topic, I say, because it's a little dream that just got smashed, I think. But, you know, things happened and we move forward. And the thing that happened was that YouTube just launched these new regulations for the creators of videos. And we have to comply with a new rule that the FDA has put forward. And it's a great rule in a way because its aim is to protect children online, which I totally support. And as a mother myself, I know internet can be a scary place and a hazardous place, and kids are exploited everywhere, and we adults let them use the internet in a way that might harm them. I know that. So it's a great, the thought is great. But this rule now is that all creators that create videos that kids might like, and with kids they mean kids under the age of 13, that they might like, or they have characters in them that appeal to them, or everything that may or might appeal to a 13-year-old kid and below are stripped of their comment sections below and community bars and ads income and everything. Now, I don't have ad income, but I get stripped of all of the fun stuff with YouTube, and that's, to interact with you. So I had to take down all my cute character tutorials in my channel. All the unicorns and cute stuff like dragons and stuff, because of course they can appeal to kids. And as I have beginner tutorials, they can appeal to kids. So to be safe, because you can be hit by a really heavy fine of $42,000, I think, per video, I just decided to be on the safe side and delete them all. So moving forward in my channel, of course, I will be sharing my tips and tricks of selling digital art online, having shops on platforms that sell digital art, and how to work, and just being an illustrator working from home. So there will be no more cute tutorials here, but I hope when I know more, that I can share, process videos and stuff like that of me working and such, that are not, appealing to kids, I think. But we have to see a little how things progress and how everything turn out. And I feel so sorry for those with channels that, have worked for years to build a big repertoire of great videos sharing, how to draw cute, stuff. Because I love cute stuff, I do. So it's quite sad for me, but in a way I understand it too, because internet, it can be a hard place, and kids are not ready for that, I think, always. So yeah, it's, one bad thing and one good thing. So I have to just think about how we protect the kids and move forward from there, because that's the most important thing in the end. It's not money or having a YouTube or anything like that. It's to protect kids, of course. So we just have to change things a little here in Volifier YouTube, and hopefully it will get even better, that you get content that you really love and are interested in. And so a little bit sad, but also it's a good thing in the end, I think. But how things will turn out for YouTube, I have no idea, because so many channels are just smashed right now, they fun channels I love. Yeah. So but anyway, I might share some fun stuff as well, because I don't want this to be a teary video. It's not my style. So don't miss the digital gratitude gathering that is going on in my Facebook group, and you get all the information there, and you find links below if you want to join my Facebook group. Of course you want. And all participants get a little gift from me. YouTube has nothing to do with my giveaway, or nothing. No social platform on earth have nothing to do with this little present I give. So just so you hear, all social media platforms. Okay. And there will be a huge and fun Black Friday sale, so watch out in your inboxes for more information about that, so you don't miss it, because that would be a bummer, I say. And I have started to outline the next collection that will launch sometime in January, and it's going to be a Valentine inspiration collection, but also include pre-made branding elements, because I heard so many of you wish to get those in their business, because it can be quite hard when you start up to find a logo. And if you buy those mega packs, from all over the internet, you can be quite certain someone else got the same logo, and it's quite a bummer. So I will think about how to do this so they stay, as my goal is to be small batched, limited edition. Yeah, you understand that I don't want any of my crafties to create something beautiful from their heart and just end up with the same graphics as their competitors on Etsy or something, I when I had an Etsy shop for art prints, this happened to me, so I know. And this was the beginning of Woolifier. So it was a terrifying experience, but it ended up in this good thing, Woolifier. So, But anyway, if you have any ideas or desires of what you want for branding elements, because this is a totally new product that I will be adding to the shop, please let me know. I create things for you, so one thing I know I will be doing is like an Etsy kit, of course, with logo, header, and custom listing previews and some social media frames or something like that, so you can or if you're running a sale or something like that, it's you can use those templates for your social media. So that's, of course, I will add. But if you have any other ideas of things that you might need, maybe help with your branding colors or something like that, please let me know, and I will add maybe a huge mega pack or something. We'll see. But anyway, this will be so much fun, and I love doing new stuff here. Of course, I've been doing logos and stuff before, but I always done them in a custom way. I never done pre-made, so this will be a great adventure, and I hope you will love it as much as I do. And yeah, that's about it today. Some bad news, but I hope it will turn out great in the end, And yeah, I feel sorry for other creators here on YouTube. And fun stuff is new branding elements and a new collection coming out. And the Coaster Cabin collection that is running now will end in January 5th. So grab your graphics if you want them, because they are soon disappearing. The holidays are coming and we are moving away from our computers, so don't forget to buy it, because it will disappear forever by January the 5th. And yeah, I can drop a link to the collection below as well. And yeah. I think that was about it today. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to Cara. Cara will launch a new YouTube class, and this will be really fun. Maybe it just came in the right time because I want to learn more about having a YouTube channel, and I really love, communicating with you this way. So I'm looking forward to her new class. I think it will be launching today, and we will see. Yeah, if you are interested in Cara's classes, I am a huge fan of Cara, I take all her classes and it's helped me so much. You find also links below, and of course I'm an affiliate of Cara's, so because I love her program so much, yeah, I wouldn't be here, I think, without Cara's classes. So yeah, anyway, bad things and good things happen. So send me a hug, yes, because I thought it was so fun sharing, tutorials, and I love my cute little illustrations. But I will be sharing them in my clipboard packs. So anyway, bye bye crafties. See you soon.